Hey guys, Frank Martinez here with How to Tile Like a Pro, and you gotta see this saw. Rubi Tools, they invented the first cutting board, and now they invented the very first AI saw. It's a DC 250 Smart Advance. The reason it's AI is because it automatically senses the density of the tile. It senses how fast to cut the tile or slow to cut the tile to make literally perfect cuts all by itself. It starts doing the cut and it'll go all the way back and stop all by itself. You can see here there's a couple modes. You can do automatic or manual, and there's different strength. This is for denser tile, this is for more like ceramic tile, something that's softer. But check it out, it's really awesome. You can plunge cut, you can cut, I think, 47.5-inch tiles, plunging. This is a very exciting thing that we just noticed while we were working. We're cutting this tile here. These are porcelain sheet mounted stick tiles, okay? So as you know with the layouts, you always want to get a perfect layout, but sometimes you got to cut them in half. Well, when we were trying to cut them in half manually, in manual mode, this is what happens. It just cracks there. You can see this one cracked in 2 places. And the reason why, when you're cutting tile this thin, it could tend to crack like that. Any change in pressure or speed can cause this to crack. Any movement can cause it to crack when you're cutting it by hand. But this saw, because it's AI, it senses all that and it just cuts it literally at the perfect speed and consistency so it will not crack. These two, check this out, we just cut, or the saw just cut by itself, literally. When I heard about it cutting by itself, I thought it'd be cool for various reasons. I was thinking more for timing, for speed. I could set it to cut while I'm doing something else, which obviously you can do. It can actually do what humans can do because there's no human error in this machine. Human error can cause cracks of pressure. The machine did it just like this, perfect. And you're gonna see it right now. I'm gonna show you how to do it. Okay, so what I did is I put some clamps here to keep this piece stabilized from moving. I didn't try it without the clamps just because it's so thin and I was afraid it might move it a little bit. So I just put clamps here, put clamps on this side here, and we also we're cutting it on top of a tile because you see there's the opening here for the blade and it's almost the same size, so it was really hard to do by hand. So we put it on a piece of tile to kind of raise it. We adjusted the depth of the blade so you can see it just scores this tile a little bit. There's the score marks there, and then but it cuts all the way through here. So I'm going to put this piece right up in here. I put a tile just to hold it so it don't move, and here we go. You're going to see the magic. One of the great benefits of this saw right here. Got it there. I'm going to put it in automatic mode. I put it to the porcelain, the densest tile there. Push start. Takes a couple minutes, it gives it a couple minutes or seconds for the water to come out, and here we go. So while the saw is cutting and we're waiting for it, it's a great time for you to subscribe if you haven't yet. That way you can see all my best videos about tile products, materials, tools, all the great tile stuff. You don't want to miss it. So make sure you subscribe and hit that like button. It's cutting it slow, but in all honesty, the speed we have to cut it by hand to keep it from chipping is probably even slower than that because we're so scared of it chipping that we cut a few and we got to go so slow just to keep it from chipping. And the worst part is we spend more time than the saw going super slow and then it chips anyway. So this way it's doing its thing, it's cutting it at its pace that it needs to so it doesn't chip. While it does that, I can go ahead and start setting something else, maybe marking more cuts, doing whatever else I want to do. I can go on my phone and post a YouTube video. You never know. I was so impressed that it can actually do something that's very hard and time consuming for humans to do. I kind of see how it is an AI powered saw. And there you have it, guys. Look at this. This is my favorite part. It just moves back all by itself, back to its starting point. And check it out. Boom. Look at that. 0 chips. It's amazing. It's really nice. So I love it because it can do all by itself what takes a lot of time for us to do. I'm gonna be honest with you, a few of them did break on its own, but even when we're cutting it by hand, it's still gonna break. And so I would rather let the machine have a few broken ones instead of me wasting my time going cutting through this 2-foot long tile and having it chip at the end. It's so frustrating as a person doing that, thinking you just wasted all this time. Setting the machine to do it, even if it does chip a few, we didn't waste our time because the machine did it while I was doing something else. So I literally waste 0 time. So it's a really good thing, and it does work. It makes these here, and I'm so grateful because I was wondering how the heck we're gonna get these done. They go on that fireplace back there. These little slivers go on the end. So there you go, guys. This is the first video on the Smart Advance by Rubi Tools. I love it so far. I thought this was amazing that it can actually take its time and do something that frustrates the heck out of me and all my installers. Comes in handy for certain situations. For something that's really hard to cut, maybe that won't cut on a cutting board. Obviously this is porcelain, I could have snapped it on a Rubi cutting board in 2 seconds. But for other tile like stone that you can't snap on a cutting board, oh, this would be priceless. You know, just set it and forget it. If you have any questions about this saw, go ahead and put them in the comments. I can answer them for you, or maybe make another video based on your questions. Before I go, I do want to show you a few other things it does. It has wheels, which is awesome. It's very easy to move. I moved this alone by myself, set it up by myself. It's really easy. It has these legs that fold and lock, so it has a lot of cool Rubi Tools features. This cool Python, I think this is called, I think it's called a Python water system. So you can control where the water goes. This shield to control the water flow. It can actually cut by itself miters. I haven't done that yet. Maybe that'll be the next video, but it could do miters as well. Thanks again for watching, guys, and tile on, my friends.